Okay, this is Supreme Bow coming in from Team Supreme. So here's some active weather news here at Concho Valley. So right now, as you can see, there are going to be upcoming storms coming for the Concho Valley. Now, there is probably going to be a chance of hail. Nobody knows. So that is a big storm. Okay, so yes, there is going to be hail. It's either coming in as large destructive hail. Now that you now know that I'm not really professional. As a junior meteorologist, we're here to keep our weather up and running. Tomorrow we will probably release a forecast on tomorrow because there is a potential thunderstorm tomorrow. So, Team Supreme out and goodbye.